bit of music on. Oh, I forgot I got my Apple Music connected to this. Where's my Apple Music? I guess I don't have it connected. Either way. So after all that's done, I usually like to start with the dollar index just because that's the thing that most of these currencies are revolving around. So we have the 12 a.m. I have 12 a.m. opening price today. We're gonna make that because I don't like to have a lot of lines on my chart. So we got.
Can you hear me now?
Nah,
Can you hear me now?
no answer.
Can you hear me now?
Nah, I just yelled at his ear. That's funny. Okay, cool. So we got the opening price for the day. We're gonna make that a big red line, right? 4 point. And also we're gonna have the 9:30 opening price for the day.
Can you hear me now?
Nah, I just yelled at his ear. Okay, cool. So we got the opening price for the day. We're gonna make that a big red line. So we have this here. We have that 9:30 range, or 9 p.m. range for today. Settings, extend right. Right. This is something that I like to do. You get the whole candle, but you're also getting the opening price and the closing price. We won't make that red actually. We'll make that. Let's make that black. Okay, I don't know why I was struggling to click on that. Black. What's gonna make this black? Oh, I didn't even see that he texted. He said yeah. Okay, cool. All right, so now I got the opening price at 9 p.m. and also the opening price at 12 a.m. So we got this gap between 6 p.m. To when the market closed at 4. This is actually interesting. Oh, this is 7. Okay, cool. All right, GBP, same thing, right? 12 a.m. opening price here. 4, and then make that red. And then we have 9 p.m. yesterday. That is relatively close to 9 a.m. from yesterday, right? Let's take a look at that. It's the same thing here. 9 a.m. Okay, cool. So for now, I'll just do just the whole range, and then we'll go back to the 9 a.m. We'll do white. My fault. I know this is mad loud. Yo, what the heck is Osman doing, bro? Osman, this is you and me. I forget, bro. Look, I got it on the TV, bro. W man, bro. Thank you for supporting, bro. Appreciate you. This is gonna be for me as well. It's mainly for me, so I can keep track of all this stuff. It's good to look back on the things that I have, just because it'll help you out in the future. Like, see what kind of mistakes you made, if you made any. It's good to look at yourself in a different perspective. So let's just say that. I'm gonna get 9 a.m. again. We're gonna do high to low, open, close, and then so that's 9 p.m. right here. 9 p.m. opening price right there. Okay, I guess not. We're gonna make that. Let's make that yellow. That's where we're at right now. We got euro, USD. We got Euro GBP, right? These are supposed to be correlated, right? It's in the 9 a.m. range right there. The Dixie in the 9 p.m. range. This is an interesting one right here. Get out of here. No 2-minute chart. That's funny. Alright, 9:45. My favorite time frame right here. Boom. Go to the 1-minute chart. We'll go to 9:44. This is my favorite candle right here. 9:44 candle. Make it visible. Red. Dixie. This is gonna be my first time trading this session. I can't lie. I don't usually trade this session. I just like to trade the Nasdaq. What is all this shit? This is old shit, huh? Oh well. That's how you know I used to be a bot, trading like a bot, honestly. We got 9 a.m. here, open. Oh, this is trading. It's probably a 9 p.m. around here somewhere. Look, right here. I'm telling you. 9 p.m. open. Oh. Blue. Make that blue. First time trading this session. I don't even know if I'm directly going to be taking a trade. But I see this liquidity here. And I've seen what happened in the morning session. Okay, we got the morning session high. And we got the morning session low, which got swept. Nope. This is the low right here. Did not get swept. Took out this liquidity. Got this one here. 2 a.m. Fair. Okay. Now we can go down to our lower time frames. This is difficult, man. Thank you, Osman. 3 watching. Get this. The fuck? Damn, I can't lose with you guys watching. You guys better give me some good luck or something, man. Some good luck. Alright. Since it's only YouTube, this is what my actual chart be looking like, okay? This is crazy because all these things that I have, like these bounces, these are 5-minute bounces, but it's actually like predicting. So like this is when I come and look into the market. I try to predict what's gonna happen. So today this is what happened. It started up over here when I was first looking, and I watched it go down here, right? So I started marking out my areas. So boom, I was buying here, buying here. For this account, I need to get 53,000 to pass it. So right now I'm at 51,793. I didn't win that much today. And then with my other one, I didn't lose like technically because I'm still up 800 on the account, but I lost some today because I wasn't locked in. I was at work. But this is different, man. This is the real stuff right here. I'm telling you, this is where all the money is made, Nasdaq. So like with that, you can see kind of where I was predicting these bounces. Like this is actually insane, right? This is the low from when the market opens, and this is the high from when I was looking at it at the end. And I'm trying to use that same logic to try to figure out what happens in the afternoon sessions, right? Because it's difficult. What can you do, you know? What can you do? I don't know what's going on with the kick, but I bet I'm gonna bring this back here. That's enough of that. Alright. 9:45. We got this 9:44 candle. Important gap here. Important gap here. Important gap here. So you go from the closing price at 9:43 to the opening price at 9:45. We're in this range here. Same logic. Closing, open, 9:45. Small gap, bounced off at 56. We're not bullish. Not really, because this looks like a trap. So there's people that were making money throughout the week. So you gotta think about it in that type of thing. Like there's not just people day trading the whole time. There's people that hold positions for months, for weeks, for a couple of days, whatever. So this week opened up here on Monday. Is that Monday? Yeah, on Monday. Right. So we opened up lower on the week. We traded down here on Monday, and then we traded all the way back here on Tuesday. So there's people that were buying over here that left their stop loss or whatever. This is like, so if it goes below this, they're gonna sell all their positions because they can't afford for it to go all the way down here. So this is what the market does. It trades up here. Now it comes out, takes those people out. So now we got the new people that were going short here that were making money here. That's gotta get taken out too. So that's kind of what the target looks to be like. It's gonna take these people out, and then it's either gonna come down here or it's just gonna close in the middle because it's gonna be Friday tomorrow. So next week it'll come and do some other bullshit. Right. All right. So we got the Dixie opening around here. Like I said, take those people out, take these people out, which it did actually. It already took these people out this afternoon. Actually, I didn't peep. Oh, this morning. Interesting. Ooh, I don't know how I feel about that. Okay, we got news. This is what I used to see. What kind of news is happening? Because news is just manipulation at the end of the day. Today is Thursday, 11 p.m. Credit card spending. It's not much of a. Oh, I forgot I could trade all those. Damn, I don't want to be here at 11 p.m. I can't lie. Can't do that. Can't do that. Just wait. You know what I'm saying? Just wait. The one thing I learned the most is to wait. When things aren't clear, just wait. Okay. Oh no, I can't lie. This is the trade, but it's fine. I missed a little bit of it. Ah, honestly, this isn't a lot of money. Like this is a account that I'm playing around with and learning through. So it's not really a big deal. We got this range, 9 p.m. Take that out. Take that out. I'm also looking at what Nasdaq is doing on my other screen, just because it's still important at the end of the day. We got 10. We got 10:04. Where is that? Right here. Oh, this is a 5 minute chart. I'm gonna pull out this 10:04. I'm gonna make that red. Nope, I guess not. 10:04 p.m. OM. Okay, nice, nice man. 10:04 p.m. Right. And I'm also gonna take a look at. So we have that for GBP and the Chinese currency. We have the USD and the Chinese currency as well. We got 10:04 here. Japanese euro. 10:04. What do we do? What do you do? What do you do? It's about to be 10:10. This kind of sucks. Retracement. 10:09. Trading below. Huh. Interesting. It did trade above this range here. So tough one, huh? Tough one, man. This is the high. This is the low. I see it going lower. With this, I can't trade this one. This one's expensive. I don't know. Oh wait, I do got leverage. I forgot. We'll do. Don't do that. They try to get me. If I did my stop loss, what would that be? Kind of sucks. You can't really see it, huh? Don't do that. They try to get me. 9 p.m. 9:48. 10 p.m. This is a tough one right here. Failure to close in between. Wait for this time right here. 10:14. And these aren't just like random times. These are times that I've been like playing around with, not something to do with the fib. So can't really say nothing on it. And every cycle has a nice little 30-minute cycle, right? This is an indicator that marks out certain areas. I don't like to use it too much because it gets messy. Look, if you keep doing this, your chart's gonna get super messy. Something you gotta be careful with, because then you have analysis paralysis. This is nothing. We'll go 45 minutes. 50% of this candle, you wanna mark that out. So if I were to do a fib from here to here, 50% of that would be right there, which is right at the gap as well. So low key, as long as I know that, I can get rid of this. Oh, sorry. Whoever's watching, I'm sorry, bro. I know that was annoying. We're trading into the 50% at 8:45 p.m., which means we might have a breaker incoming. Below, above. This is okay. This is opposite then. We got euro, dollar, right? Euro, GBP, British pound, and yen. Boom, right? We're at that 44. It's about to be that 14 to 15 area. The key to this is patience, bro. Key to this is patience. If there's not a trade, don't take the trade. My top fan, Fred. My top fan. Fred, welcome to the mod, boy. I wish I could just talk to y'all, man. I know Ozzy's probably coding or something right now. But yeah, I got all my areas marked out except for this one. Clearly, bought 943, 944. Get that area right there. Make it blue. You want to be able to get a distinction. Oh yeah, and I make it orange, right? We're gonna make that blue. Okay. Where's the Dixie doing? Dollar index is very important. Look, traded above, trading below now. 914. What is it about to do? Pull this out, setting. Let's do a negative. Oh shoot. He said what? Finishing up my slides right now. What a nice teacher, man. Your student better appreciate you, Ozzy. For real. It's not negative one. It's negative 0.75. I'm not able to trade that. I can't trade gold. I wish I could. Gold is money. Gold makes money, bro. There's just so many things to trade. Like you can't get lost in that. You stick to a couple things that you know. Go from there. I don't think I'm coding today. My head kind of hurts. I'm going to bed. Okay, it's that time. It's that time. Trading above, right? There it is. We got 914. Like I said, look, get that whole 914. GBP. Look, I'm telling you, bro. Get that whole 914 candle. Boom. All of them. So what do you see here? 930 open, trading lower, trading back up here. What? Oh, I was like, what is wrong with this? It was saying that this was 1014. I was like, that doesn't even make sense, dog. It's scary, man. I ain't never traded in front of nobody. I might have already missed a trade. I can't lie to you. Um, but if it's not there, you don't force it. Simple. Simple. If it's not there, don't force it. Simple. It's scary, man. I ain't never traded in front of nobody. Simple. Okay, we got that. I might have already missed a trade. I can't lie to you. And we got just 44 to 45 gap. So it's probably looking to fill that gap right now. Stopping short, trading higher. It's 18 now. So this is when moves start to begin. You know, trading below, trading higher. Dixie, this is the most important one. The most important one, because this is the U.S. currency. Obviously, it's gonna be the most important one. Fill this gap here at 916. We got this 10 p.m. open here. Tapped into that real quick. 10 p.m. open. Okay. I'll probably do this for like 10 more minutes. It's not that it's not commitment, but I don't trade forex, man. I'm trying to learn, but I only trade the Nasdaq. Apple. All that shit is bullshit. If you want to make money, this is what you make money. 23K per share. This is what like the US is making money off of. 23K per share. That's what they do with your bank money. Okay. We got 1019. Look, see. It left this up here. So like this is left for a reason, you know? It's not just like, oh, okay, that's it. People decided they want to just sell. Like, these aren't random movements, bro. As a programmer, you can't think of this as random movements. We got this 944 right here for the Euro GBP. No, Euro yen. Trading above. Boom. Already traded below here. It's a tough one, man. Let's end this gap right here. This is bad because the chart, some charts give you quicker data, which is like, it'll make it easier for you to trade. You know what I'm saying? Because when you're just trading in this slow data, like, it's not gonna be too good for you. Look at, not that you need to have quick ass data, but so these are inversely correlated. Take out the low. Don't forget this high here. Okay, this is what I'm watching now. 946. How much would it be if I have a 20 to 1 leverage? Am I even able to trade this bullshit? Okay, this is what I'm watching now. Oh, I am, huh? I don't want to trade that much. How much would it be if I have a 20 to 1 leverage? Am I even able to trade this bullshit? Okay, this is what I'm watching now. Oh, I am, huh? I don't want to trade that much. What does this look like? Why can't I like see it? My market. Tough one. Lower. Higher. This one is just in its own world. Building up orders here. This session is the worst one to trade. Because this session sets the stage for the next day or the coming up day. So it's difficult, you know. You don't want to be too caught up in it. That's why I have this like account with 200 in it. I don't care what happens to it. Type. There's is an area which it could hit. You see this gap here, still not filled. So I see signs of a reversal. I want to take the trade. I want to be patient. I want to take the trade. I want to be patient. You know what I'm saying? It's a tough one. Hmm. I do not want to buy one. I want to be patient. I want to take the trade. I want to be patient. You know what I'm saying? It's a tough one. This is not moving. Oh gosh. No movement. No movement. No movement. This is not moving. Oh gosh. This is why you don't trade Asia session. I'm telling you. Oh. This is why you don't trade Asia session. I'm telling you. 11 a.m. low. Oh. 11 a.m. low. 11 a.m. low. 11 a.m. low. I'm in one trade, guys. I'm risking 2 cents to make 1 cent. Now I'm risking 2 to make 2. I'm in one trade, guys. I'm risking 2 cents to make 1 cent. Now I'm risking 2 to make 2. This is ideal. Realistically, this isn't a hard trade because one, I don't know what the is going on, right? And two, what else can I do? I might be falling. I might be falling. I might be falling deep. Tell me now what you need. I might be falling. It's an interesting one. This is why I don't like trading Asia, bro. This is moving too slow. Too slow, too slow. Too. But I guess we're trading. Have patience, right? Have some patience. Have some grace. This is why I don't like trading Asia, bro. This is moving too slow. Just took out all the people that were selling here. Too slow, too slow. You know what I'm saying? Selling, buying, whatever. Took all those people out here. Left this liquidity here. So this is the new dealing range. We have here, and we have the 50% mark right here. So this is where we're trading in right now. So realistically, when people were buying from here to trade up, they left their stop loss here. So like just like I did with here, for example, right? I have my trade. I have my trade here, and I have my stop loss right here. You know what I'm saying? You guys see my stop loss. So if it goes here, then I'm losing, and it takes me out the trade. So that's the idea that you trade behind. You know. So like there's people with their stop losses here, which I'm targeting right now. You know, your stop loss is my target. So that's why it's a difficult game out here. It's a difficult game, man. Takes me out the trade. So that's the idea that you trade behind, you know. So like there's people with their stop losses here, which I'm targeting right now. You know, your stop loss is my target. So that's why it's a difficult game out here. free pretty soon. This is where I got filled? Brother. Yo, they did me dirty. There's no way. There's no way that's where I got filled at. Wow, that's bullshit. Yeah, that's why I don't like this shit, man. So I don't like this shit, man. I did not enter the trade over there. I definitely entered the trade way before. Bro. Brother. 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 That's some BS, man. No wonder I already started in negative. Bro. I don't have the patience. But this is gonna drain your soul just sitting here just watching this bounce up and down, blah blah blah. Cause in the morning when you're trading, it's just quicker movements. Like if you're right, you'll know you're right in a good amount of time. And if you're wrong, you'll know that you're wrong pretty quickly as well. Yep, see. Still draining trades. I do not want to do this. I think I have to figure out I don't want to be waking up at 5 a.m. to trade this. Okay, so I took a 1 cent loss just because I don't want to stay in this trade anymore. Because look, I entered there, so me coming up here, how am I still not making, because I'm not risking a lot, obviously. I bought one here, I bought one here. Realistically, in the morning, this is how I trade, right? Right after it takes that out, that's my new stop loss right there. Right? And then I target not 1 to 2 always, but 1 to 2, 1 to 3. So in the morning, if I was in here after the sweep of this, boom, and I'm out. You know what I'm saying? I know this is eventually gonna come up here and take this out, but I do not have the patience for that. You know what I'm saying? I do, but I don't. Not for today. I need to go read and go to bed. So that's that for today. We'll check back in tomorrow. We'll just leave this here and see what happens. I think it's gonna take this out, right? And then I want to see another short building here, because realistically, that's just how this game works. You know what I'm saying? Especially with the Dixie. The Dixie needs to come fill this gap. So that's the gap we're gonna be looking for tomorrow. Man, Asia session's not too fun, man. London session's better. Okay, so this week, you see what this week has done? It hasn't done shit. It opened up here. It traded down into the opening price. Oh, not the closing price here. So we gotta look at where this week closes. But for my real trades, this is it, man. This is the real trade, right? This is a yearly time frame. So you see that we are trading above all-time highs here. This is the area I had marked out as well. So we traded into that in the beginning of June. Traded into here as well. Did a little consolidation. We're going to the daily chart. This is kind of the areas I mark out. You know what I'm saying? We got the 1 hour. So this is how it looks like as you keep moving down time frames. This is messy, but this is experimenting. I like to experiment with stuff. So this week opened up here. We're going to 12 a.m. See, even this is experimentation. Let's say I were to do the whole weekly range, started from Sunday up until Friday, right there. I ain't gonna be clicking that all the way down to 24. I can't lie. What's the midpoint of that? You got brother man. You see what I'm saying? It's easy out here. It's easy out here. But it's like I don't want to sit there and watch that happen. Just because of how slow this moves. Not that I don't have the patience. I definitely do. You feel me? But I don't want to. I don't want to. That's just gonna take too long. I set my ranges here, my targets, and then watch how you'll see later on how these areas are gonna be used. So you see for the 1 hour, you'll see how it's gonna be used. This is all messy right now. So this is where I bought somewhere around here. So I bought it here and it traded up here. This is where I sold it because I didn't want to wait no more. But realistically, it's gonna come over here. We have that 10 p.m. range. It's taking out all the people, like I said, that were buying up here or selling. My fault, sorry. This is a nice wick, so you want to mark out that wick. I don't have it marked already. Nope. So you want to mark it from here to here. Give it that -1. It's tough out here. So boom, reject off the first level, drop lower, take the people that were buying up here, take them out. So now it's gonna boom, come up here, and then we'll see a low retracement at this 50% mark as well. That's just how it works, man. That's just how it works. But I don't have the time for that right now. Back to my analysis. This is very interesting. I can't lie to you. I can't lie to you. So the week opened here, traded low, high, midpoint. Because if you mark out from here to the low, what do you see? Midpoint. You know what I'm saying? You can flip it the other way as well. Trade it from down here to up here. Midpoint. This is the closing for the week. So opening for next week. Interesting, is it not? Is it not interesting? Okay, well, this was fun. More chill. Just wanted to see how it'd be to check out some forex, but that's it for today, man. I'm very tired. I'm about to get to bed. I'm gonna hop back on tomorrow. I'm gonna save this and watch it back and watch my trade execution. Slap. Watch it slap. See, it doesn't look like a lot, right? This doesn't look like big moves, but if you're going like on a 15-second time frame, which I trade on 15 seconds, I'm going from here. Oh, not gonna let me do that, huh? 22 points. This is realistically all you need. You don't need to be trading fucking from here to the moon. You know what I'm saying? Be consistent in your strategy. Usually go for a 1 to 2, 1 to 3, 1 to 4. You don't need a 1 to 5. If you're just like trying to be consistent, you don't need that. You know? So like, look at how easy a 1 to 2 is, bro. Enter here, stop loss here, up here. It's simple. Look, I marked this out for you too. 10-14, pay attention. 10-14, mark this out here, pay attention. 9-44, pay attention. Boom, take those people out. That's it. You don't need to, you got your money, get the fuck out. This is gonna be